Ever wonder why your stomach growls so loudly, especially when it's dead silent? That noise isn't your stomach screaming for food. It's air and muscles. Your digestive system is constantly moving, squeezing and pushing things through, even when it's empty. When there's food inside, it muffles the sound. But when you're hungry, it's basically an echo chamber. Air gets pushed around, liquid sloshes. Your stomach walls contract, and all of that vibrates through your body like a tiny internal thunderstorm. The scientific name? Borborygmi. Yeah, that loud growl in class? It's just your intestines doing sound effects. Subscribe and like straight from hell to get more knowledge and understand facts.